Is your Palworld audio not working or you are getting choppy audio? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Choose the correct audio device. You should also make sure the correct audio output device is selected in sound settings. Otherwise, you will have sound issues. Open the sound settings, check that the correct output device is selected under the output section. Now try playing the game and check if this could fix the audio issue. Method 2. Check the game sound settings. Launch the game. Go to Options. Go to Sound Settings or the Audio tab. Check if the master volume is on. You can put the slider to full volume. Then adjust the other sound sliders as per your requirement. Method 3. Change or reset sound settings. Click on the volume icon on your PC from the system tray and check that it's not mute. Adjust the slider as per your need. You can also right-click on the sound icon on your Windows taskbar and select the sound settings option. Check that the volume slider is set to the right. Next, click on Volume Mixer. Find Palworld from the App section and expand it. Make sure the volume is set to 100 and the correct output device is set in the drop-down menu. You can also click on the Reset button next to the Reset Sound Devices and Volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults option. This should reset the default sound settings and fix issues if this has happened due to tweaking some sound settings. Now, check if the audio in the game is working. Method 4. Disconnect any unnecessary microphone. If you have connected any external microphone and not using any microphone in the game, then disconnect that. You can also disable any internal microphone as well. Type Control Panel in the Windows search box and select the top search result. Set the view by to categories. Next, click on Hardware and Sound. Next, click on Sound. Go to the Recording tab. If you are not using the microphone, the right-click on Microphone or Microphone Array, whichever setting you get, and disable it. Now you can launch the game and check if this improves the sound quality. Method 5. Change the sample rate and bit depth. Open the sound control panel as shown in the previous method. Make sure you have selected the right speaker. You can set it as default. Now, right-click on the speakers and open its properties. Go to the Advanced tab. From the drop-down menu for default format, select 24 bits, 48,000 Hz, or you can also try other settings and see which one works for you. Click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Method 6. Turn off spatial sound. Open Sound Settings. Go to the Spatial Sound tab and turn it off. Check if the audio is working fine now. Method 7. Disable any additional sound device. Disabling all other sound devices except the one you are using can fix the issue when you cannot hear anything on the game. Right-click on the sound icon and select Sound Settings. Click on More Sound Settings. Select the Playback tab, right-click on the other devices other than the one you are using and select the Disable option. Click OK. Now go to the Recording tab and repeat the same thing. Next, right-click on the device you are using and select the Enable option if it's present. Else, select it and click on Set Default. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 8. Disable third-party applications. To disable it, open Device Manager, expand the sound, video, and game controllers and right-click on Voice Meter. Select the Disable Device option. Method 9. Troubleshoot the audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can also trigger sound issues in games. So troubleshoot the audio drivers. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the sound, video, and game controllers and right-click on the audio driver. Select Disable Device. Click on Yes to confirm. Wait for some time and then right-click on it again and select Enable Device. If this doesn't work, right-click on the audio driver and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for the drivers option. Restart your PC after the drivers are updated. If updating also doesn't work, then right-click on the driver and select Uninstall Device. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart your PC. After the restart, the audio driver will be automatically reinstalled. Check if this can fix the problem. Method 10. Verify the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause audio issues. So verify the game files and this can fix the problem. Go to the Steam library. Right-click on the game and expand its properties. Click on the installed files and select the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Once the game is verified, launch the game and check. Method 11. Uncheck hands-free telephony. Press Windows + R to launch Run utility. You can copy this command from the description and paste it in the Run command box. Now from the device's window, select the speaker you are using. Right-click on the speaker and go to its properties. Next, open the Services tab. Now you should see hands-free telephony over here. Uncheck the box next to it. Click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now launch the game and check. And there you have it, the 11 methods to fix Palworld audio issues. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.